Now we're going to move into the brick mold area where we will actually show some of the processes as far as the manufacturing process goes to achieving brick mold outside measurements to be able to ensure the customer gets a fully integrated one-piece system, no stucco work to be done afterwards, no painting, nice clean of caulking. We go back to have a cup of coffee once our installers are done. So come with me here. This here is one of our signature frames. As you can see here, very, very wide jamb. A lot of work goes into producing these, but we do entail have a one-piece sill. Now obviously you can have a look here and see how we've integrated the pine fillers, but as you come around to the side of the frames here, we can achieve up to any jamb measurement to 14¼ inches. As you can see here, there's specific processes that we have put in place that we can't share with you today, obviously due to trade secrets. But this here now will accommodate, we'll go back into, there's no fur out, which a lot of our competitors are using a process. And furring out is when you only have a specific size jamb, and how you make up the difference on the inside of the home is by secondary pieces. And what I mean by that is you can take a simple piece of jamb extension here, rip it to whatever size you need be. Now this actually goes into the back side of the jamb of the door to accommodate what we've done here as a one piece. They now will actually have a secondary seam. And some of the issues that come along with the fur outs are that now you have a secondary piece that has another seam on the inside of your home. There is worries of condensation issues, frost issues, there's caulking lines that have to be redone every couple years or so. As you can see here with this system, once we're done, there is no secondary pieces added. Casing goes on to the back side. This achieves the true wall depth. We have a lot of customers who are adding 2-inch foam insulation on the outside of their homes and are having a very difficult time with this so-called fur out process. Anytime you add a secondary piece to any jamb that's floating and you have to anchor it in, there's inherent issues that come with that, and those are seepage issues, and it's not a true maintenance-free jamb. One of the things that I can show you here with this single frame is this brick mold size. On any of our doors, there's no prefab size. We use a flat stock. We rip to any size that we need to achieve a specific outside measurement. Now what that allows us to do is not to have to change jamb sizes. We don't have to do exterior stucco work. There isn't huge beads of caulking on the outside of the frames. This here allows us to come in, let our finishers and our installers finish up a nice little small bead of caulking on the outside of the home, and we're out of there. There is no secondary work for our customers to do. A lot of issues that come along with stucco work is, you go to cut a specific size for OSMs, and you're going to run into a lot of inherent problems. You have to replace studding. We actually will fit it to size, and that is one of our major selling features, is that we will come, measure it, build it to size as is. There is no prefab done. Does it cost a little more? Of course it does. The labor costs a little bit more, but that's what you pay. You get what you pay for, and we take pride in being able to fit your home with an existing measurement rather than going get a kit door that will allow you to have to do a ton of extra work when you're done.